What's up guys? What's up? Another day, another vlog. Hi.
Hello.
Yan. Maaraw ngayon, pero malamig. Another day, another vlog, another day for house hunting dito sa UK. The search for our permanent home. So, lalakad lang tayo ngayon dahil walking distance lang yung overview natin bahay. Bungalow siya. At medyo may kamahalan, pero advantage niya is malapit siya sa workplace namin. Sobrang lang, walking distance talaga. 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom bungalow house na malaki yung garden. So let's see. Yan, yung isa dyan kanina pang umaga naka-ready yan. Oh, grabe oh. Korean. Tingnan ako, wala mong artista. Artista ayaw magpakita.
Nalamig lang pala.
Nilalamig lang yan. Grabe malamig guys, maaraw siya. Pero malamig.
Kanina pa ako ready. Tagal mo,
Diba?
tapos naantok na ako magigising.
Sorry na. Yan, naninisi na siya guys. Sana nga ba yun? Hindi ko na alam yung dadaanan.
Kaya ayaw mo matulog. Huwag ka matulog.
Guys, ayan na yung bahay guys. Ayan na. Hindi, joke lang, hindi yan. hindi yan yung bahay. Doon pa. Nakad pa, ilang minuto pa. Sige, kita-kits na lang mamaya doon sa bahay
Hindi
na.
makita yung daan ko.
Hindi ko alam kung makakapag-video doon, pero try natin.
Uy, pinapaganda siya oh.
Ayan, ito pala yung, ito
May
medyo
ganda siguro dito.
parang haunted house to dati eh.
Hindi kasi nililinis.
Pero malinis na siya, dati puro yan. Puro damo yan eh, di ba?
Oo, so ibig sabihin may sila.
May planong baka nabili ni ni
Bilyan.
ni Villar. Pero nililinis na siya. Dati puro damo yan eh. Sana i-renovate. Ganyan gawin nilang SM department store. Tahimik ang ang neighborhood dito sa UK talaga. Kahit tanghaling tapat. Ayan, walang katao-tao sa labas. Kami lang. Okay, mamaya na guys. Sa doon na mamaya sa bahay na pupuntahan natin kung makakapag-video. Kung hindi, papakita na lang ulit namin sa inyo through internet. Sige, bye-bye. Ganda, no? For sale. Ganda, no? Luwang, no? Ano masasabi mo?
Ganda.
Ganda? Pero mas maganda ka. Boom. Ano tayo? Ganda. Bago yung Try natin. What's up? Tapos na kami mag-view. Ayan na. Anong verdict?
Maganda naman. Ganda.
Ganda siya.
Para sa mga isang maliit na
Pamilya. Oo. Pero yun nga, maganda siya, well organized at saka well planned yung mga rooms. Pero pag nilagyan mo na ng gamit, parang magsisikip na siya eh. No? So, ang good lang sa kanya, malapit siya sa trabaho. No? Yun yung pinaka advantage niya. Malapit siya sa workplace namin. Pero, yun nga.
Maganda din yung labas niya eh. Super.
Ganda yung-
Wala ka nang
Ganda yung garden
hindi
niya.
ka mahirapan mag-ayos.
Maganda yung garden niya, yung backyard, front yard, maganda. Yung neighborhood, tahimik din. Yan. Pero yun nga eh, parang hindi yun ang para sa amin, no? Siguro para sa iba yun. Yun, sige. What's up guys? Kami nagbabalik, say hi. Hi to the vlog. Hi. Hi, we're back to the bahay. So, hindi namin na-videohan yung loob ng bahay kanina na na venue namin. But this is the house sa Google. So, yan, this is the exact place that we viewed this afternoon. And this is the kitchen, living room, dining room / another room. And kitchen again. And then this is the What is this? The big
The
room.
taas.
Sa upper, sa first floor na main bedroom niyan. And then, this is the living room. Yan. So, that's it, basically. Yan. Toilet, which is nice. Yan. Backyard. This is the garage. And this is the backyard. Yan. Actually, it's so nice. The house is nice. Yan, backyard again. This is the front yard / garage yan. So, yeah, the house was nice, but there was no wow feeling, no? No wow feeling na we didn't feel that
It's gonna be our home.
we don't feel that it will be our home. Aside from the fact that it is close to the workplace, but it's quite expensive. It's 230,000 for a bungalow, and yeah. So, but in the end, there was no wow feeling. No, we didn't feel our heart inside the house. That's the term.
Gosh.
So, up to the next vlog, we're gonna view again some more houses. There's few more houses that are for viewing, scheduled viewing this coming weeks. So, hopefully, one of those houses will be the one
For us.
for our heart.
Char.
Bye-bye na. There's someone who's very excited.
What?
She keeps on She keeps on showing me the TikTok videos of home renovation, and we don't have the house yet, but she's really excited to renovate the house that we don't have yet. Oh, sige na.
That's what they call advance mag-isip.
Advanced thinking. So up to the next vlog, up to the next viewing, hopefully you'll come with us with this journey for the search of the search for our home here in UK 2025. There will be another 2026. No. So yun lang. Sige na guys. Parang Miss Universe na no? Sige.
Mag-search ka pa ng 2026, ano ka madaming pera? Bibenta mo na agad.
So sige na guys, I don't know what to say. Just go and join us with our search for our UK house hunting basically. 2025. Sige, bye-bye. Up to the next vlog.